Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add new flashcards to an existing Anki deck using Notion to Anki. This is incredibly useful if you're already taking notes in Notion and want to seamlessly convert them into study materials without recreating everything from scratch in Anki. First, head over to your Notion workspace and select the workspace that contains the notes you want to convert. Once you're there, open the specific page with your existing notes that you'd like to turn into flashcards. This could be lecture notes, study guides, or any organized content you've been building in Notion. Next, you'll need to export this page so it can be converted into Anki-compatible flashcards. Click on the Share button at the top right of your Notion page. From the menu that appears, select Export. You'll be prompted to choose a file format, so go ahead and select either Markdown or HTML. Both formats work well for conversion, so pick whichever you're more comfortable with. This export creates a file that can be read by conversion tools designed to bridge Notion and Anki. Now, open a tool like 2anki.net in your browser. This is a specialized conversion tool that takes your Notion exports and transforms them into Anki flashcard decks. Once the tool loads, look for the Upload section and upload your exported Notion file. The tool will process the structure of your notes and prepare them for Anki formatting. After uploading, click Convert or Start Conversion depending on what the tool displays. The conversion process usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's complete, you'll be able to download the generated Anki package, which will be in .apkg file format. This file contains all your newly created flashcards ready to be imported. Now, open your Anki app. In the main window, select the existing deck where you want these new flashcards to appear. This is important because it ensures your new cards are added to the right study set rather than creating a separate deck. Once your deck is selected, click on File in the top menu, then choose Import. Navigate to the downloaded .apkg file and select it. Anki will prompt you to confirm the import. Go ahead and confirm, and your new flashcards will be seamlessly added to your existing deck without disrupting the cards you already have. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.